I bought every single cryptocurrency on Webull. And it's a lot easier than you think. We got Bitcoin, we got Dogecoin, we got Shiba, we got Cardano, we got Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos. What the heck is that? Phantom, the Graph, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Dash, Stellar, Zcash, and a whole lot more. And I bought them all. Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now for today's video, we're going to be going over cryptocurrency and how to buy it. Now for today's video, we're going to buy every single cryptocurrency on Webull. Now buying cryptocurrency is pretty simple nowadays, but something that has recently been happening is a lot more of the mainstream traditional exchanges are dabbling into cryptocurrency. So I want to see how simple it is, the limitations of it. I just want to test it, you know? I just want to see if it's a more viable option than exchanges that are designed for cryptocurrency. So we're going to buy a lot. We're going to test a lot. This is going to be fun. I cannot wait. Let's go. All right, Weeble, you met your match, buddy. Let's go. All right, now the first one I'm going to do is LRC. That. Next is CRV. Now I noticed that it automatically goes to the ASC number, but that's not what I want. Okay, we're not doing that. All right, CRV locked in. All right, we're gonna go to RENUSD. All right, next is Luna USD. Now, it's not that hard to make these buy orders, but it's a lot harder for them to get filled, I'm noticing. So today's actually looking pretty good. It's actually a fairly red day, so this might be a good entry point. I'm sorry, I have no idea what sushi is. Let me look up sushi real quick. On the first comments, hey, I just bought 10,000. Good luck, buddy. All right, now the next one we got is Luna. All right, so I'm about like 20 minutes into this. So far I have 19 orders. Now I'm sure I just fast forward that part, but I have 19 orders. None of them have been filled. It's not looking good. Now something to note is I didn't just automatically do their ask number. It automatically bumps it up 1%, which I wasn't having it. So, but I wonder if that's the only way for these orders to get filled. So look, I got 19 orders out. There's still a lot more to go. Yeah, let's continue. All right, so I have all the cryptocurrencies. I have all of them out for buy limit orders. None of them have been filled. Not a single one of them. And I don't think it's getting close. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to start changing these. Cancel that one too. I'm essentially gonna have to go back and redo this whole thing. I'm gonna have to cancel every single order and redo the buy limit order. Now some of these are having some pretty rough days. There's like -4, -5, -6%. With those, I don't mind not getting like the absolute best entry point, but it's kind of frustrating. It's kind of frustrating that the spread on Webull is kind of not good. There it is, REN. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Republic. That is my first one that has officially cleared. So 1 down, 27 to go. As you can see with some of these, like I'm right at what it's being traded for, but it's just they're not getting filled. Oh, there's another one. Thank you, Chainlink. Thank you, baby. All right, so I'm about 2 hours in and I officially have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 cryptos. I got REN, I got Chainlink, I got Uniswap, I got Zcash, and I also have BAT USD. Don't know how comfortable I am with that one. See this is super frustrating. Like with Matic right now with Polygon, I'm way above. Like my limit order is $2.11. And it's currently being traded at $2.10. So what it's telling me is that there's just not a lot of liquidity right now on Webull. There's not a lot of people trading this stuff. which is fine, but it is not good for what I'm doing right now. It is not good for ordering a bunch of cryptos, but we're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on doing this. All right, now for sushi, just because it's not having a good day, it's negative 6%. I'm just going to buy it at the ask. I'm going to overpay, and boom, it gets filled right away. So unfortunately with Webull, the spread is just not that good, and that's what I'm learning. That you have to buy it at the ask number, which automatically constitutes, as you can see, it automatically constitutes a negative 1%. Now, this was a lot of money. I would be pretty furious. But the fact that I'm just doing $27 for all these cryptos, I'm not too upset. But this is a very good learning experience. Now, I've been getting asked a lot what platform to trade on. I wanted to go through Webull and figure out like the ins and outs and just get more knowledge about it. See, this is a good platform to day trade, to long-term trade. And what I'm seeing right now is that it's not a good platform to day trade crypto. It's okay for beginners, but with more short-term investments, this is not good. That's a rough portfolio. So with Litecoin, this is the perfect example. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and I'm just gonna do the buy. I'm gonna do the market order pretty much. Click buy. Let's see, it should get filled right away. All right, there we go. It just got filled. Now I'm gonna go back and look at the portfolio, and as you can see, it's automatically down 1%. Which this isn't just a Webull problem. Like all of the very simple beginner crypto exchanges, like Coinbase, they don't give you like the best entry point for these. They make it simple. They make it easy. So you're kind of paying for that convenience, and with the low fees, this is where these fees are built in. So automatically I am down 1% on everything, but you know what? It's okay. It's a red day. So hopefully the market as a whole can make a turn, and we're going to keep it moving. All right. So I only have 6 cryptos left. I'm thinking, just because it's been 3.5 hours now at this point. I'm thinking I'm just going to do what Webull wants me to do. And I'm just going to get in at the price point of the ask, of the bad end of the spread. All right, so I have 1 crypto left, and it's not the crypto that you think. I still have not been able to purchase Bitcoin. That is the only one that I have left. I've purchased every other cryptocurrency on Webull. It's taken me a long time. I think we're running on hour number 4. This is like 3.5 hours so far. Check out how many order requests I've had. I've had 77 to buy 26 or 27 cryptocurrencies so far. So I've been having some happy fingers. We've been keeping it moving, but it's all right. There it is. 26 minutes later, we got it. I'm officially an owner of Bitcoin. Well, I already was, but now I'm officially an owner of Bitcoin in Webull. All right, so that's the first half. That's the first half of this. That was all the buy stuff. Now I'm gonna do all the sell stuff later tonight. Let's see if it is just as hard, but this is what I've learned so far. So Webull is absolutely free, and I love it, and it is great for beginners. It's just the entry point automatically gives you a negative 1%. So you're paying the ask, which is a 1% over market value. So that's just what's going to happen. So in order to break even, you're going to have to, because you're losing 1% in the front and you're losing 1% in the back. So you're going to have to, the stock is going to have to gain 2% in general, or crypto is going to have to gain 2% in general for you to break even, which is terrible for day trading or short-term investing, but it is totally fine with long-term investing, because in the end, it'll just pay for itself. Now, Webull for me is definitely one of my favorite for beginners. Although you're losing that 1%, every exchange out there has their own fees. It's a little more in your face than this, but with Webull, you can track your portfolio a lot easier. The Coinbase portfolio tracker is just a little hard for me to read. It's a little confusing. With Webull, it is very simple, very detailed. Also, if you're trying to get in a cryptocurrency at a specific price, it does take a while for the order to get filled. So you got to be a little patient, whereas other exchanges is a little more instant. And I learned they have 27 cryptocurrencies. There are 27 cryptocurrencies on Webull, and I bought them all. I own them all, but I bought on a red day, and I'm betting on the market. So we'll see ya in a few hours. All right, it's 12 hours, well, 11 hours later, and it is time to end this experiment. Now we'll make about $50 for this whole thing. Definitely not as good as I thought it was gonna be, but it is what it is. Now Webull does say that you could trade 23 and a half. Yeah, 23 hours a day. And there's that 1 hour that they do maintenance in the middle of the day around, let's see, 2:30 to 4:30 Pacific time. But I don't know if that is just a thing that they say, and there's not that many people that are buying and selling. But I don't know if that's 100% true. So let's figure it out. So I'm gonna test that there. You may be able to sell, but will it sell? Will it fill? Is the bigger question. Now I'm gonna start getting rid of these duds, man. Like Ethereum Classic, I knew that was gonna shit the bed. I knew it was gonna shit the bed. That's why I only bought $5 actually. All right, so let's sell. I'm just gonna do the market order, which is 1% under what is currently being traded as. Oh, and boom, it got filled pretty quickly. Okay, well, that's very, very encouraging. That is very encouraging. I'm actually pretty pumped that it filled that quickly. All right, let's just get rid of these duds. No, Avalanche, you did me wrong. Negative 3. Oh wait, I should actually probably be screen recording this out. All right, now Avalanche negative 3.5%. I'm just gonna close this, close it out, and got filled pretty quickly as well. So it does fill pretty fast, which is very encouraging. That's pretty awesome. All right, what's next? All right, let's get rid of Bitcoin Cash negative 3.78%. All right, and that bad boy got filled quickly as well. Okay, encouraging. Let's keep it moving. What else? What other duds do we got? All right, Mana USD, terrible, negative 5.29%. All right, it's been filled. So if you basically play Webull's game and just go at their market value, which is negative 1%, these orders get filled pretty darn quickly. Now I will test it a little bit on, let's see on Bitcoin. Let's sell to close. Let's just do it at the current market value, not the ask or the bid. And let's try to sell it right in the middle. All right, and then with this one, it does not sell right away, but we're just gonna leave it there and see what happens. All right, Uniswap, freaking garbage. Definitely did not have a good day. Let's sell to close this one. Let's just do it at the market value currently at $15.20, and as you see, it's going to be sold for $15.02. Let's sell it, and boom, instant. My poor little Bitcoin, just chilling there. Now I wanted to make sure that all this was possible, which is one of the main reasons why I did this video. I wanted to make sure that it was easy to buy and sell on Webull. It wasn't really about the money. Clearly I'm not. It's actually tanking right now, so I'm not really making that much money, but it's worth it because all the knowledge that I've been gaining from this, and I could pass this along to everyone watching and everyone that asks me about this. I think I'm in the negative right now. Oh man, crypto just tanking on me right now. Polygon, you were my favorite. What the heck, Polygon? All right, well, let's get rid of Polygon real quick. All right, it's currently being listed at $2.02, and it's gonna 7.4, and it's currently gonna be sold at $2 and 0.0037, which is again negative 1%, but it is what it is. All right, so I'm just gonna rapid fire a lot of these, and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so it took me about 5 minutes to sell all of them, except I'm gonna keep the Bitcoin, the Doge, and the Shiba, just because I feel like it. I'm technically a Shiba millionaire with only $30. That's fantastic. All right, so to recap from this whole thing, the ease of use is fantastic. It is super easy to buy and sell cryptocurrency through Webull. The spread is terrible. You're gonna lose 1% on each end of the trade. At least that's been my experience today. And it's too hard to make up for in a short-term investment. So investing in cryptocurrency long-term on Webull, fantastic. Short-term, not so much. And then you can trade 24 hours a day. Now, I know it says that, but I just want to make sure that orders like can actually get filled, and they were instantly getting filled. So overall, I think I broke even at the beginning of this. I think I was up $50. Then when I started selling, everything was kind of tanking, and I was losing 1% on every single trade. So I think I broke even during this. So do I recommend buying cryptocurrency on Webull? Absolutely. Because of their interface, it is so user friendly, and everything is so detailed. Whereas other beginner exchanges, it's a little bit harder to understand. So this way it is super simple. You could use the money you already have in there. It's super simple. But would I invest in cryptocurrency on Webull short term? Absolutely not. That 1% on each end is terrible. So long term, yes. Short term, no. I cannot believe I bought every single cryptocurrency. All right, and that is it. That is the end of the experiment. I wanted to make sure it was possible. I wanted to test all the theories, and I came out of this with a whole bunch of knowledge. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you learned anything, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, especially you to the end. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace.